Another things that I would like to share with you is this. We are certainly talking about the recession that could happen this year, but this recession is very, very different to all the other recession. Well, every recession is different, but the only unique thing about this recession is this. I call this a man-made. We already predict that will happen because of the pandemic. The Federal Reserve has printed huge amount of money, and now we created this hyperinflation period right now. Therefore, they are raising interest rate to try to calm this inflation down. And when they do that, there's negative impact. We are seeing a lot of banks, regional banks in the US are suffering, having trouble. If you live in the UK, you probably hear quite a lot of major companies are cutting staff. So we are seeing this happen. But when is it likely to happen and how long is it likely to come to an end? Let me introduce you a very, very powerful data. It's an AI seasonal data that I use. Let me get right into it. Right, this is my good friend's platform, marketmakeclear.com. It's super powerful. It's got a lot of things in there. It's got a commitment traders to track the smart money. And now this is the new AI seasonal data platform. Right. Let me explain what it is. This is the S&P 500 seasonal data chart, right? And the yellow line here is actually the current year price movement. You can see we had a bullish move in March, April. We correct a little bit, a bounce a little bit. Now the blue line is what I put in right here. I put in all the recession years from the 1990s to 2000. So we had 3 recessions then. And once I allocated that, the platform will allow me to, well, not allow me, the platform will actually project what a true path could happen. You can see the blue line right here. We will have sideways, maybe a little pop in June, and then from June, that's where the bearish movement all the way until end of the year, which is very good. I can use this to my advantage combined with technical analysis to buy the dip. Okay, so I'm not so eager to short the market right now, even though if I'm going to take any shorting position on S&P 500 or NASDAQ, it will be very short term because based on the seasonal behavior, May could be just a ranging month. So keep your target short and sweet is what I'm trying to say. But with this powerful data, it's not just benefiting me trading, it can also benefit me on investing for a longer term purpose. If you are members of my Facebook group, we will share more investing idea, trading idea in a daily basis. So if you like to join, I will put the link in the description or a pinned comment below. It's absolutely free to join, and that way you can interact with us a lot more. Okay, thank you.